Imagine a world of ice where a single family's adventure reveals a global truth. In R.K. Alleman's novel, we follow Auroral, a penguin father driven by curiosity and a growing sense of dread. Strange tremors and a fast-moving glacier threaten his home, serving as a stark parallel to our real-world climate crisis. This isn't just a fable, it's a canary in the coal mine for our entire ecosystem, backed by current scientific research. But in the face of melting ice, hope remains. It is a journey of rescue, family, and a powerful call for climate action. Experience the adventure that bridges fiction and science to highlight the urgent need for change. Emperor Penguins by R.K. Alleman, a story for our time, available now.